I am. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are.
Is he going to read? Is he going to read?
Yes, he is. Yes, he is.
Is he going to read? Is he going to read?
No, he isn't. No, he isn't.
Am I going to watch a film? Am I going to watch a film? Am I going to watch a film?
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. No, you aren't. No, you aren't.
Are you going to listen to music? Are you going to listen to music? Are you going to listen to music?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. No, I am not. No, I am not.
Is she going to take up knitting? Is she going to take up knitting? Is she going to take up knitting?
Yes, she is. Yes, she is. No, she isn't. No, she isn't.
Is it going to snow? Is it going to snow?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. No, it isn't.
Are we going to learn sewing? Are we going to learn sewing? Are we going to learn sewing?
Yes, we are. Yes, we are. No, we aren't. No, we aren't.
Are they going to the museum? Are they going to the museum? Are they going to the museum?
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. No, they aren't.